known him for a long time.
Smoke a lot of
We're
trees
sitting
in the
there
weed
chilling.
plant.
And I was there for about 6 hours.
Sleeping on these
Like,
G's
yeah,
in the
I think
bean
that's
bag.
what they- Anyway,
I've
I'm
been
hungry.
going
What's
G's
up,
cause I'm
dude?
cool, right? Checking from my parents
So
like
he
a
gets his ass up.
I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. So feel like a hell when nobody.
Everybody knows that he's the old addict. Time is what?
Money.
Money. That's right. Time is money.
You can see me
You're
even
gonna
if
spend
you
time.
hell sleeping on the mattress. So feel like a hell when nobody.
The last thing you should be doing with your time. I can't think of a lower ROI activity.
You can see me even if you
only the young. I'm gonna start cooking.
I've been going hell sleeping on the mattress. So feel like a hell when nobody. Hot shells jumping at the semi-automatic. Made it up by the color, got a new. Now the BB's with a V-long jean jacket. You can see me even if you had.
You're wrong!
I've been going jeans cause I'm cool.